that I have not seen yet, but we just got in from Bandai. This is the I do not read Japanese, but if I could, I would. In fact, give me 1 second. Hey, Leon.
Yeah.
I need you real quick. What does this say?
It's gonna be tough for me.
Do the best you can. If you could pick anything out on that you can give me a representation of what to call it in this unboxing video.
What's that? I think that's Tenori. I can't read katakana, so they kind of screwed me at the end there.
What about the back?
Georgia.
Any of the character names?
I hate to say it. I can't really read. I think it's just gonna be the bird.
The bird? Maybe bird something?
Yeah, something bird. My mom's like watching this probably, and she's like, "Oh, you're cooking us." I would say, dude, the phone, when I was in Japan, Google Translate, you could just scan it.
True that, yeah.
Tell you everything.
Yeah. So this is an egg. Exciting experience for me to open this this mystery egg. We're gonna see what bird we got here in a moment, but Bandai, if you're interested in original toy soundtracks and unboxing videos, or maybe a little bit of what they call ASMR, toy ASMR. I say welcome to my ASMR channel, guys. How can I help you? Let's see what we got though.
So, we have a little location in Antique
So this is pretty cool because this becomes, you know, almost an art decoration. So now you got toys and blind boxes that are becoming perfect for the adult collector. You know what I'm saying? So it's exciting to see. You know, that's really cool. Now, how do you display it? How do you package it? I don't know. Probably like this at the shop, right? And then you have the price tag on it, where you can see it's obviously one set, and then you can just close it up like that, and then boom, you're good. Don't have to think too hard about it, or you can put it in there like that. The only thing is it will not stand up, so. But I can dig it. I like it. That's number 2.